Take a slow breath in. Allow your attention to settle where you are. There is nothing you need to change right now. Simply notice your current state. Something happened recently. Your body registered it quickly, before you had time to think about it. Your system reacted. You may have felt tension appear in your chest or stomach. Your breathing may have changed, your mind may have begun replaying the moment and forming explanations. That response is natural. Your nervous system reacts quickly when something carries emotional weight or signals potential threat. Take another steady breath. Now notice something important. The reaction appeared in your body, and at the same time there is a part of you that is aware of it. The experience did not replace you. It is something happening within your awareness. Remain with that understanding for a moment. Part of your attention can observe the reaction without becoming the reaction itself. You are allowing two levels of experience to exist at the same time. One level contains the emotion, the sensations in the body, and the thoughts that arise. The other level remains steady, observing what is happening without needing to follow it. Stay anchored in the observing position. Thoughts may continue to appear, your mind may replay the event or imagine what it means. Allow those thoughts to pass through without needing to resolve them immediately. Your body may still carry some charge. You might notice tightness, restlessness, or a lingering surge of energy. That charge is part of the nervous system processing what occurred. What you are practicing here is allowing that process to unfold while remaining slightly above its strongest pull. There are moments when following an emotional current completely can draw the mind deeper into sadness, anger, or rumination. Feeling emotion is an important part of being human. Yet sinking fully into the strongest part of the current can sometimes overwhelm the system. Instead, you remain present while keeping part of your awareness steady. Imagine your attention positioned just above the strongest part of the reaction. The emotion can move beneath that point without pulling you under. You still feel what is happening. At the same time, you remain oriented and intact. Take another breath and notice how the body responds when it is allowed to process the reaction without resistance. Breathing may begin to deepen slightly. Muscles that tightened earlier may begin to soften. The initial intensity may start to lose momentum. You are not forcing calm. You are allowing the nervous system to complete its natural regulation process. Remain here for a few breaths. Notice again the distinction between the reaction and the one observing it. The reaction moves. The observer remains steady. From this position, something important returns: choice. When the reaction first appeared, your system prepared you to respond quickly. That response can be useful in moments of real danger, yet many situations in daily life benefit from allowing the first wave of emotion to settle before deciding what action to take. You do not need to follow every thought in order to understand the moment. You do not need to stay inside the emotional surge in order to learn from it. Often the most effective response begins by allowing the initial charge to pass through the body. Take another slow breath. Notice whether the intensity has shifted even slightly. Your shoulders may feel less tight. Your breathing may feel more even. Your thoughts may be moving more slowly. These small changes show that the nervous system is regulate itself. Remain here as the final traces of the reaction settle. Your attention becomes clearer. Your body feels more stable. Your mind is no longer pulled in multiple directions. From this position, you can decide what truly deserves your response. Some moments require action. Some moments require conversation. And some moments resolve naturally once the emotional charge has passed. Take one final steady breath. Notice the steadiness in your body and the clarity returning to your attention. When you continue with the next part of your day, you do so from a position that is grounded and intact. The moment occurred. Your system processed it. And you remain present while it passed.